Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast Jacks here at Harley-Davidson of Panama City Beach for the first official day of rally. And we're out here having a great time, but I want to tell you about something first. We are giving away a motorcycle in spring rally. So April 30th, 2022, we're gonna give away a Harley-Davidson Sportster. And all you have to do is come see these beautiful ladies right here to win.
Come see us.
Yeah, and we'll walk over right here and I'll show you the bike. Right here we have a beautiful Snake Venom 2021 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. And let me tell you, if you haven't seen this color yet in the sun, it is stunning. It is a beautiful green that fades into a purple as you walk around it. And I'd say it's one of the coolest paint jobs that Harley-Davidson has done in a long time. I also want to show you these really cool build bikes that we did. So this is the Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson build bike, and this is the Tampa Harley-Davidson build bike. We were going to do a build competition between our 4 locations, but unfortunately due to inventory restrictions, we are unable for all the stores to participate. So right here we have Panama City Beach's bike. Our home team built this. This is a 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114, and we did the black paint job with the cool custom wings. So we tore this motorcycle all the way down to the frame and did this beautiful Tahitian teal color that you see. We also did a stainless Bassani exhaust and some really cool Flow Motorsports jet fuel foot pegs. And if you look at those things, those are just absolutely wild. And a Saddleman seat just to kind of tie her off. And over here we got an awesome 2021 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114. And I bet you've never seen a Fat Boy like this. Powder coated the wheels black, did 12-inch LA choppers, cage fighter handlebars, Arlen-Ness anodized blue mirrors. We also did the Santuro Fabworks Chanchos on the motor, transmission on the primary as well to give that big blue pop. We also got a custom paint job on this motorcycle with a very cool pinstripe that kind of matches the anodized color of the mirrors, the grips, and the Chanchos. Awesome stainless Two Brothers exhaust on this bike as well. So if you want to get a bike, bring it home and know that you have something one of a kind built by the awesome team we have in our 4 locations. Come and see us. Rally is fun. We got a ton of vendors out here. We have KST handlebars, Hogworks, we got Patch Stop, we got Exotic Meat, Sweet Tea, we got Thunder Beach Rally shirts, giving away bikes, we got boots on boots on boots, we got everything you could possibly want, and on top of that, good weather and a good time. Thanks for watching, guys. Come and see us for Thunder Beach Rally.